What are JSON Web Tokens?
JSON Web Tokens, or JWTs, are a compact way to securely transmit information between parties as a JSON object. They are widely used in web development for authentication and information exchange because they're easy to verify and can be safely passed around between clients and servers.
Why use JWTs for API security?
JWTs help secure APIs by acting as digital identity cards. When a user logs in, the server creates a digitally signed token. The client then sends this token with each request, allowing the API to verify the user quickly and efficiently without storing session state on the server.
How JWTs work, the basics.
A JWT typically has three parts: a header, a payload, and a signature. The header specifies the type of token and hashing algorithm. The payload contains user and permission information. The signature verifies that the token hasn't been tampered with, making JWTs both stateless and secure.
JWT Implementation tips.
To use JWTs securely, always use HTTPS to prevent interception. Keep tokens short-lived to minimize risk if stolen. Avoid storing sensitive data in the payload, as it can be decoded by anyone with the token. Regularly rotate and protect your secret keys to prevent unauthorized access.
Common pitfalls and best practices.
Avoid common mistakes, such as trusting unsigned or poorly signed tokens, or forgetting to validate token expiration. Always use strong signing algorithms and regularly review permissions encoded in tokens. By following these practices, JWTs offer a powerful and efficient way to secure your APIs.